What is the beginning sound of the picture? G. G is for game controller. What is the beginning sound of the picture? F is for fouls. What is the beginning sound of the picture? E. E is for elm tree. What is the beginning sound of the picture? F is for frankfurter. What is the beginning sound of the picture? G. G is for growing. What is the beginning sound of the picture? H is for handshake. What is the beginning sound of the picture? E. E is for eagle. What is the beginning sound of the picture? F is for file. This video was brought to you by TechLabShop.com, where you can find more resources for children, like games, videos, vocabulary activities, math and reading resources. Try our interactive wall where you can click on one of our videos to watch. You can even subscribe to our channel by clicking the blue subscribe button. If you have subscribed already, we want to thank you. Don't forget to share our educational YouTube channel with others. You can also follow us on Twitter and tweet us or retweet your favorite videos to others using hashtag #CompLabTeacher.